taking a look at some of the most expensive edits in the entire world, like this $2,000 edit that was done for a YouTuber with 13 million subscribers, and this $1,000 business promo video that was part of a $5,000 a month retainer, a $300 reaction video for one of the biggest streamers in the entire world, and I even convinced superstar video editor Sven, who edits some of the biggest YouTube videos in the entire world, like this Matthew Bean video featuring iShowSpeed that got 30 million views, to give us his 3 tips on how to get paid thousands of dollars for a single edit. That's coming up at the end of the video, and it's all starting right now with this $20 edit. So to find these jobs, I'm going to be using the VP Plus pricing tracker. This is a tool that tracks every single completed job someone in my community has been paid for, and we're going to kick it off by searching for a $15 job. So let's go ahead and click on this one. This is by Illumini, and this is a documentary niche. He was paid $15, and he even says this is his first ever sale.
What if I told you that being a Pokemon gym leader could earn you more than a real-life pro soccer player?
Clean.
And your teammates breathe fire and shoot lightning.
Super clean.
That's right. While your average athlete is running drills,
it's simple,
gym
but
leaders
it's clean,
are out
though.
here commanding dragons, dodging
Honestly,
fire
I think he
blasts,
could have charged
and
more than
still finding
$15
time
for
to
this.
file paperwork. Today, we're diving into the real-world salary earnings of one of the most coveted roles in the Pokemon world.
Okay.
Gym leader. But here's the twist.
Come on, what? Illumini, you got scammed here. This is way more than a $15 edit. I'm not gonna lie, you could have easily charged, $50, $60, $70, $100 plus for an edit like that. That was pretty clean. It takes a lot of time to find all the B-roll. These specific animations right here.
Let's crunch the numbers. Are you ready? Here's how we're calculating the...
That's clean. It's simple, but it's clean. You absolutely got underpaid for that edit, Mr. Illumini. Okay, we've doubled the rate on the pricing tracker. Now I want to have a look at what a $30 edit looks like. So this right here is by Jalen. This is a one-off project. It's in the vlogging niche. It's short form, and he got paid $30 for this project. Let's watch it.
So one thing about you that people wouldn't know.
It's going to sound very weird, especially from like somebody that's actually a DJ. I don't listen to music regularly.
Yeah.
I swear to God. Okay, ask him.
This is literally simpler than the $15 edit. Clean transitions, the sound design's pretty nice. This is just like kind of vlog style, almost like a day in the life kind of style. It's not meant to be flashy, it's meant to be clean. I like the pans back and forth between the two characters. He's obviously taken a long form video and shrunk it down, turned it into a short form video. It's formatted really well. Captions are very clean, classy, subtle. I'd say that was much closer to fair market value right there. Being paid $30 for that, you got paid about $1 per second. It's a 33-second edit, and there was already a long form video which you were able to take and turn into a short form video, so definitely like not the hardest process in the world. Shout out to Jalen. That was more fair market value. All right, we're going up a bunch right now. We're gonna go to a $100 edit. We're tripling the price, and I want to have a look at the difference in quality between a $30 edit or a $100 edit. This right here is by Totney. It's in the real estate niche. It's a long form. He got paid $100 for it, and it took him 4 hours, so he got paid $25 an hour.
How many followers do you have? 0.
Bro's got 0 followers. Okay, clean. On the slower side, but it's real estate niche, so probably an older demographic. Definitely not hyper edited, but clean. Cut nicely to the beat.
Coral.
That's the kind of style you'd want for a realtor promo video. Like, they don't need Mr. Beast, Iman Gaji style, Ali Abdal style. That would be complete overkill. So I think, Totney, you crushed it for that. $100, I'd say, is fair market value for this video right here. Took you 4 hours. You got paid $25 an hour. And, hopefully this guy probably needs content on a long-term basis. So if you were able to turn this guy into a long-term client, then that's a huge win. I do think if I had to give a tiny bit of feedback, there was some effects that maybe could have been improved a bit. Like the laughing face kind of lingers a little bit and then fades out. That looks, slightly on the amateur side, but everything other than that was absolutely clean. $100, $25 an hour, fair market value. We're doubling it again. We're now looking at a $200 video. Shout out to Nocturnal Fairy. This is in the business and finance niche. This is a $200 video, and it took her 7 hours to do, so she got paid $28.57 an hour. Not a bad rate at all. Let's have a look and see if it's fair market value.
Tonight's the night we seal this prenup deal.
Uh-oh.
Or else.
There's my future trad wife.
Darling, did you get a chance to sign my prenup?
I got
What's
stuck on
happening?
the first clause. Why do I have to pay you so much? I only made $650,000 last year.
That's a lot of money.
The 40% you're demanding should be for our joint expenses and life together.
This is a
You're the one
sad
that
video.
wanted a prenup. You expect me to pause my career to raise your brats for free?
The AI is
Yeah,
really good.
but a Charlotte
She just called her kids brats? That's crazy work.
personal luxury tax feels sinister. Manhattan taxes
Bro,
are
she's got the
already
Gucci, the Dior,
criminal.
the Chanel.
How about 20% for your
Fellas, you got to be careful who you marry. This guy's getting fucked.
personal account? 6 figures with a breadwinner. That's not a good life.
She's
Am
got
I
the
your
face care
peasant?
routine.
You've
she's got
lost
the
your
skincare
mind if
routine.
you think 100,000 is enough to be me in this zip code.
Yo, this is sad. This scene right here is sad.
Miranda's au pair makes that.
So not only am I funding your personal savings and lifestyle, but you want 100% of the vacation homes too? Why can't
This is a pretty good like piece of satire right here. Like this is keeping me hooked.
those just be 50-50? Especially
Poor
since
guy's
I'm
losing
the
his
one
mind.
who bought the Hampton home before our marriage. Let's not forget I won't be owning any equity in your premarital apartment.
Evil.
Stop being cheap. I'd rather maintain a consistent summer vacation home for the kids as a tradition. I won't allow 50-50 to potentially mess that up since my earning potential is
By the way, clean sound design right here. Got the subtle wine pour sound effect. Play this real quick.
addition. I won't allow 50-50 to potentially mess that up.
Okay, that right there, honestly, you got paid well for that. That was really cool. I loved the AI characters. So well done. Genuinely so well done. The consistency throughout the scenes, banger. You made great characters. The script, I don't know if it was meant to be funny. It was pretty funny. 80-second video, AI generated B-roll and voiceover. Did you do the script as well? If you did the script as well, that's awesome. $200 for this video. I'd say complete fair market value. You absolutely crushed it. That was a great video, Fairy. Congrats. Okay, so that was just the $200 edit, and we're about to jump into the $300 edit next. But the tool I've been using in this video is called the VP Plus Pricing Tracker. It's a tool we built exclusively for the VP Plus community that helps you find the most profitable niches and also see what other editors are charging so you don't underprice clients. And on top of that, we just launched probably the best lead scraper on the entire market. It helps you find clients 10 times easier than anywhere else online. One of my students just said this: the lead scraper is heat. This is so much better than Playboard or manually searching. I said, sick. I'm glad you're getting value. We're about to make it like so much better. It's still a V1. He said, I genuinely had to sift through so much BS before, but 90% of what comes up on the first search is valuable with the VP Plus lead scraper. In VP Plus, we're rolling out a ton of tools that like save you loads of time and help you make more money, which is the most important thing. I'm increasing the price from $49 to $75 a month. It's a huge increase, but the reason is because we've got all these cool new tools now. If you join before July 1st, you'll lock in the current price for life, $49 a month, and you'll get all these cool tools for a massively discounted rate compared to what people joining after July are going to be paying. Click the link in the description and let's jump into the $300 edit next. All right, listen, we're getting crazy now. I'm putting the price up to a $300 video. We're going to have a look at what a $300 video is, and we're going to go ahead and click on this one right here by my boy Nico. This is a reaction video. It's for clicks. One of the biggest streamers in the entire world. Shout out to Nico. He landed clicks ages ago. He's been working with him, so many other big YouTubers ever since he joined VP Plus. Let's watch this and see how good it is.
Yo, what's up guys? It is Clicks, and today we are back with another reacts video. You know, the last one did crazy good, so clearly you guys are enjoying the story of. So shout out to Aussie Antics. He's letting me react to another story that he just dropped of the story of Nick A30. His
There you
video
go.
is
This is to be
literally Aussie
expected
Antics
with this
story.
thing. All of the like retention optimized edits are obviously to be expected with this kind of niche. Like it's basically like the gaming niche, gaming reaction. Like they're very similar styles of editing. It's for a much younger demographic. You need like heavy edits pretty much constantly happening. It's very retention optimized. What I'm seeing here makes a lot of sense.
Never what?
And he cut me off, but our special guest again, you know, is the one and only
Lacey. I was trying to get us in like the mood, the Nick 30 mood, you know, the family friendly.
all right, yep.
This guy Lacey is fucking popping. Like I see this guy everywhere.
Yeah, I heard you. Yeah, but that is what we're watching today. Is gonna be the story of Nick A30, and let's get into it.
Never back down, never what?
So that's interesting right there, where this is a $300 edit. The main like hardcore editing is, I'd say, at the start for the hook. Then it's kind of like face cam POV as they react to stuff. It kind of cuts back between this main shot, which is like the full frame, and then the split screen of them actually reacting. So at this point, I would assume, we can watch a little bit more, but I would assume most of the heavy edits are probably towards the start. And then at that point, it gets a lot easier. But let's watch this real quick. By the way, I'm reacting to a reacting video. So just, that's happening
multiplayer, making informative guides, leaks, and montages of his best moments.
Okay, so pretty much as I expected, like most of the edits are towards the start. At this point, it's a reaction video, so it's like how much crazy editing is there? It's really just like the main edits are cutting down the reaction. So if we come over here, he says clicks reacts long form, a 1 clicks reacts long form. This is the 6th video working with him. I would bet you that this 16-minute video that came out of this was probably more like an hour plus when he actually received the raw footage. So although like most of the editing for this video is on the hook at the start, you bet your ass there was a lot of cutting. He chopped it down. $300, complete fair market value. I think you absolutely crushed it here. $300 for this video. Not the hardest video in the world. Completely something you could bang out in an afternoon. And $300 is a very fair rate for this video. All right, we're up in the price big time right now. I'm going to $750. I'm clicking on this one right here. This is by Jordan. It's a one-off project in the comedy and entertainment niche. He got paid $750 for this. It took him 20 hours, which is roughly $37.50 an hour. So we're moving up in price. We're moving up in hourly rate. Let's click on this and see what it was. Oh, promo video. Okay, so it's some kind of raffle or competition. Clean. Not bad. Nice use of transitions. Good energy. $750 for this. Crazy. Cool. Win your dream holiday. qualitytime.co.uk. Damn, son. Let's have a look. I want to win my dream holiday. That makes sense why this is a $750 video, because honestly, the edits are on the simple side, and realistically, it's just really nice pacing. They're obviously kind of like selling a dream a little bit. Yo, you can go on this crazy vacation, have a look, blah, blah, blah. They're obviously piquing the interest of the normies scrolling on, you know, Instagram, TikTok, who are maybe outside on a smoke break. They're showing them some really cool stuff. Hey, listen, you could win all this for £3. You could win all this for $5. So if we analyze why this was a $750 video, it's because there's an actionable result that comes from this video. Somebody watches this video and they actually go and spend money on raffle tickets. So I always say this on this channel, and I say this in VP Plus as well. Who you work for is super important. There are people with hundreds of thousands of subscribers that are going to try and lowball you and give you absolute, you know, no cash for edits. But there's also businesses who have almost no followers, but because the video helps them make sales, they're willing to pay more for it. This right here by Jordan is a perfect example of a video that's on the simpler side, but because it actually generates a result, it generates sales, people watch it and then they go and buy raffle tickets. So the company actually make a return on investment from this video. The video becomes infinitely more valuable and their budget for that video drastically increases. We're up in the game big time. I'm doing a $1,000 video. So this right here is a $1,000 video. This is part of a $5,000 a month retainer paid to Hamiflix, one of our VP members in the business and finance niche. So this is one of 5 videos a month. Each he gets paid $1,000 for. Let's watch it.
This simple 5-step process is exactly how I got my first business to $1 million a year, even with no sales experience whatsoever. The real secret is learning how to. If you do it, it makes reaching that $1 million a year level way easier.
Lots of motion graphics
and
coming up.
Proof. My first couple businesses did so poorly that I had to shut them down. But after I learned this simple process, I not only reached the $1 million a year mark once, but I did it 5 straight times.
So this guy's a big business guy. He's a big CEO, entrepreneur, operator.
5 different businesses.
He's trying to build a Hormozy level brand, talking about, you know, his business experience, teaching people how to do the same. He's probably selling some kind of coaching offer, info product offer. So naturally, this guy is a whale client. He's a rich client. He's had massive success, made millions and millions and millions of dollars in legit business world. Then he's trying to come to content, build a legit personal brand. He's paying $1,000 a video. Hamiflix, your edit is clean as hell. The motion graphics are sweet. This guy has documented his journey well, so he's got all this B-roll, which makes your life easier. One of the worst things to do is try and build a personal brand for somebody that hasn't documented their journey at all. Because when you're trying to position someone like this as an expert, if they're like, yeah, like I'm an expert, I've made millions and millions of dollars, and they don't have the footage to back it up, nukes the brand, nukes the credibility. This guy looks like a great client right here. And honestly, I want to watch these motion graphics because you slapped it. These motion graphics, guys, by the way, is what takes this rate from like maybe a $300-400 video to $1,000 plus video. It's client combined with quality. You guys only need one client like this and you're making bread every single month. Hamiflix is making 60 racks a year off one single client because he's found a long-term recurring client who is in the business niche. He's probably selling something, building a big personal brand is very valuable to him, and he's crushing. You're making money. Shout out to HemiFlix, absolute beast, great edit. All right, we're moving up to the big leagues. We're gonna do our final edit now. I want to have a look at what a $2,000 edit looks like, and then we might actually have a surprise for you for the person who made the $2,000 edit. So this right here is a wilderness survival challenge video. This is by Sven, honestly one of the best YouTube video editors in the entire game. It's a pleasure to have this guy, a real honor to have him in our community VP+. He hosts sessions all the time, and he got paid $2,000 for this video, and it took him 20 hours. So that means he made $100 an hour for editing this video right here. Absolutely awesome. Let's have a look at what a $2,000 video looks like and how much effort it really takes.
Today I'm leaving my wife stranded, alone in one of the most dangerous wildernesses we've ever seen.
Fire!
She's currently chained up, and in order to free herself, she will have to complete multiple tasks to get a key delivered
Constant
to her.
retention-based editing.
Wait, what am I supposed to do?
Really quality acting there, by the way.
Shelter, fight off dangerous wildlife, and survive the brutal forces of nature completely alone.
You see this? They're constantly trying to give you reasons to stay for the rest of the video. They have to make something that like could be kind of boring, just somebody, you know, walking around trying to survive in the woods, because like, you know, realistically, they're probably like in a local park or something like that. It's not like they're in the middle of nowhere. But Sven is constantly giving them reasons to stay. He's showcasing, this is coming up, this is coming up. If you're able to land these bigger channels, they have so much more budget because they're basically producing a TV show at this point.
The first clue is hidden right behind her.
You see this narrative right here. Sometimes these larger channels don't even write this narrative, which means the editor has to build the story. Now, I'm not too sure how this went down here with Sven, but I know some of these larger channels, the editor ends up scripting the VOs, the voiceovers, and sending those scripts to the actual YouTuber to record just so they can build a story. Honestly, depending on who you work with, some of these bigger creators can be a bit of a nightmare to work with because you're actually in charge of taking their raw, kind of shitty footage and building the entire story arc, and even getting them to send over voiceovers to make your story actually come to life and make sense.
$100 each item. This is going to be extremely useful, baby, and I truly believe if you want to last out here for a long time to raise as much money as possible, I feel like you're going to need this.
Constant angle changes, as you can see right here. Again, super retention based editing. They've got the POV shot of the wife running. They've got constant angle changes. They're probably both filming, and they likely have a videographer as well. So the thing about edits like this is you're going to receive so much footage, and not only is there like little effects like that, just which essentially like help visualize the story, the level of like diversity with the different effects being used is pretty intense. So an edit like this isn't just done in an afternoon. You don't make a 23-minute video like this in an afternoon. Not only is there like a crazy story arc to build, not only is there so many dynamic little effects like this, but this realistically is done over multiple days. And as we can see right here, this is a 20-hour edit, which realistically, I know a lot of people who would have taken much longer for this. So Sven's obviously a beast. He makes it look easy, but a 20-hour edit is done over, let's say, max 2-3 days, which means this is a much larger project. They pay you a lot more, but realistically, you can't do an edit like this every single day. So it's not as though you can look at this and say, oh my goodness, you know, $2,000. I could make $60,000 next month if I land a video like this every day. This is a big project. This is very intense. Okay, real quick, while I'm talking about how big this video is, I want to quickly call Sven. I'm going to actually phone Sven, and I'm going to ask him, how the hell do you land these massive creators? And I'm going to get his top 3 tips. Let's FaceTime him right now and see what he says. Yo, Sven, what's going down, brother? How are you?
I'm doing good, man. How are you?
I'm good, thank you, man. Listen, you're one of the highest paid YouTube video editors in the game, so I want to ask you for 3 tips on how the people watching this video can land high-paying clients and work with these top-tier creators.
So yeah, first off, like, you of course need to just be good. Like, no one's gonna hire a bad editor, so for sure level up your skill. Second thing that I would say is like, just be reliable, always be on time, deliver on the due dates, like, or even before. They really appreciate that. And the last thing they really appreciate is just being very motivated, being pretty invested in their channel. At the end of the day, they're just YouTubers, they're persons, they care about their channel. So if you care as well, they will most likely work a long time with you, and you will raise up your prices like within no time.
Huge. That's absolutely awesome, brother. Thank you so much for the game. We appreciate you.
Yeah, you're welcome, man.
You have to absolutely build up to clients like this, and the client is entrusting you with their entire TV show, basically. I told you, this is a game show, it's a TV show. It's not just just like your average talking head Imangaji style video. So you absolutely need to be prepared to build up a solid portfolio, work with big people, and have a lot of credibility in order to land projects like this. That right there is the end of the video. If you want access to the VP Plus pricing tracker, you can join us down below. You can currently join VP Plus for $50 a month. On July 1st, it's going up to $75 a month, but only for people who haven't joined before. So click the link down below, join our amazing community to get access to all these incredible tools that make your job as a freelancer easier, and go click this video here. This is going to be a perfect continuation. This is me reacting to the best and the worst edits in VP Plus and correcting them.